Two popular loan choices, one key decision. Which one really delivers? On the left, short-term loan, quick cash for urgent needs. On the right, installment loan, manageable payments over time. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what really matters. Each category racks up points, so you'll see exactly which loan stands out. The winner could surprise you. Here's our handy mind map for today. We're putting short-term loans and installment loans head-to-head across a bunch of categories. Loan amount, term length, repayment structure, interest rates, approval and credit, and, oh yes, risk and defaults. Buckle up, because each one honestly comes with its own little quirks. Let's kick it off with loan amount. So, short-term loans, they're the kings of fast but tiny amounts. You're usually looking at something like $100 all the way up to $1,000. Sounds quick and easy, right? But honestly, if you need more than a few $100, it's kind of a no-go. They rarely go above $500. Now, installment loans, oh, here's where things get interesting. You can get way more. We're talking $500, $5,000. Sometimes people snag up to $100,000. Of course, they expect you to have better credit if you want the big bucks. So here, the clear winner for big money, it's the installment loan. All right, term length. Short-term loans live up to their name. They're like super short. Most are 7 to 30 days, and boom, you got to pay it all back. It's kind of intense, honestly. The real kicker? A single big payment due and soon. On the flip side, installment loans are all about taking your sweet time. Terms can go for months, 3, 24, sometimes even years. You do get a longer commitment, so it's not all sunshine, but hey, having those months to pay it back is nice. Winner here is, once again, installment loans. Let's talk repayment structure, because this is such a key difference. Short-term loans are, hey, pay me back in one go. No pressure, or, well, all the pressure. It's a one-time lump sum, and if you're payday to payday, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Kind of stressful. Now, installment loans break it up. Fixed monthly payments, so you know exactly what's coming and can actually budget without sweating bullets every week. There are several payments over time, sure, but oh man, it's so much easier. Installment loan takes this round. No contest. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. If you make on-time payments with an installment loan, it can actually boost your credit score. So it's not just about getting the money, you're basically investing in your financial future too. Here's the part people always ask me about. Interest rates. Short-term loans will hand you the money incredibly fast, but the catch? Those rates are wild. 300 to 400% APR is not unheard of. Sometimes you're paying $10 to $30 on every $100 you borrow. Yikes. Now, installment loans do a lot better. You get rates from like 7 to 36%. And okay, yes, that still can climb up to 200 if your credit isn't great. But on average, way lower. So, if you want to keep more money in your pocket, installment loans are it. Approval and credit checks. If you're worried about whether your credit is, let's say, not so shiny, short-term loans won't judge. They barely check anything, honestly. Perfect if you need cash fast and don't want anyone poking at your credit report. Downside, they do nothing to help you build your score. Now, installment loans are a little more picky. You'll usually need a credit check, which can be a bummer if your credit isn't top tier. But if you keep up with payments, it actually builds your score. For folks who want quick cash, short-term loans win this one. It just depends what you need, right? Last up, risk and defaults. And it gets kind of real here. Short-term loans actually have crazy high default rates, like 12 to 25%. People get stuck in those debt cycles. Ouch. Not great. Installment loans aren't perfect, but the defaults are lower, around 6 to 15%. If there's a hiccup, though, you're on the hook longer because the loan stretches out over time. Still, the lifetime risk is lower, so installment loans pull ahead here. Let's check out the radar chart to see how these loans score across all the categories. Honestly, you can see right away that installment loans just kind of sweep most of the points, especially on loan amount, term length, repayments, and interest rates. Short-term loans only really pull ahead in the approval and quick access department. So here's my take. If your credit's shaky and you need a small, fast cash fix, short-term loans get the job done. But honestly, if you want a larger loan and plan on improving your financial health over time, installment loans are way better. They help you budget, build your credit, and get better rates. Choose based on your situation, But overall, installment loans win this battle. Still torn? Head over to shorttermloan.com or installmentloan.com and compare for yourself. No shame in making the right choice for you. Get your cash and take control.